Ricky has an animal collection of if 3/10 of his animals are dogs, which statement is true? Out of a total of 3 animals, 1 is a dog. Out of 50 animals, 3 are dogs. Out of 35 animals, 15 are dogs. Out of 30 animals, 9 are dogs. Well, if we look at the first statement here, let's consider the first statement. One of these is going to be true. A, B, C, or D is true. One of the 4. Okay, look at statement 1. This is saying that 1/3 of them are dogs. Okay, is it true that 1/3 equals 3/10? Is that a true statement? Is 1/3 equal to 3/10? Well, let's just consider the 3/10 and find out how many thirds you'd have if you had 3/10. You write 3 over 10, and how many thirds is that? Is it 1/3? Is x equal to 1? That's the question. Okay, so we're going to take 3 times 3 and divide by the 10. Okay, cross multiply and divide by the other number. You're doing 3 times 3 and dividing by the 10. So you 3 times 3 divided by 10. 3 times 3 is 9 divided by 10. Does this equal 1? Does this equal 1? It's 9/10, isn't it? Okay, is that the same as 9? If you put 9/10 here, is that the same thing as 1/3? No, that's saying that 1 equals 9/10. That's not true. Answer A, 1/3 of the animals are not dogs, okay? Well, how about 3 over 50? 3 over 50, 3/50. Does that equal 3/10? Does 3 over 50 equal 3 over 10? Well, there's your 3/10. What number would go up here if you had 50 for a denominator? Would it be 3? I think you can clearly see no, but let's just do it the same way. 3 times 50 and divide by 10. 3 times 50 and divide by 10. 3 times 50 is 150. Divided by 10 is 15. Okay, 15. So 3/10 is the same thing as 15 over 50. But that's not the same thing as 3 over 50. Okay? So it's not 3 over 50. Throw that one out. Okay? How about 15 over 35? 15 over 35. Does that equal this? Does 15 over 35 equal 3/10? Well, what number would you have up here? Okay? What number could you put up there? All right? All right, what's the unknown here? 3 times 35, cross multiply and divide by the 10. 3 times 35 is 105. Divided by 10 is 10.5. So this is 10.5, okay? And that is not equal to 15 over 35. 10 doesn't equal 15. 10.5 doesn't equal 15. Throw out that one. So this better be the right answer. Is 3 over 10, does that equal 9 over 30? Is 3 over 10 9 over 30? Of the 30 animals, are 9 of them dogs? Well, 3 over 10, 9 over 30. What number would go up here? 3 times 30. 3 times 30. Divide by the 10. 3 times 30 divided by 10. 3 times 30 is 90. Divided by 10 is 9. So we're putting 9 here, and that's the same thing as we had, same fraction we have here, isn't it? So 3/10 is the same thing as 9 over 30, and this is the one that works. This is the only one that works. We're going to answer D for my answer.